Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to see who is stalking you on Facebook. Open up the Facebook app. Go into menu from the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile. Click on three dots from your profile. Scroll down to turn on professional mode. Click the turn on button. Again, tap on Menu. Go into your profile, then close the Facebook. And reopen it after a few seconds. Click on Menu to go into your profile. Tap to see Dashboard. Scroll down to Professional Mode Guide. Then click on Insights. Tap to view Insights. Click to see Details. Now click to see Profile Visits. From here, you can see who stalks your profile. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.